back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hello. If you're new, welcome to my channel and happy new year. I hope everyone had a great new year. I did, and thank you for being here with me in this new year. I'm super excited. I have so much planned for my channel this year. It's a fresh new year. I've already started off with a bang that I can't wait to reveal with a major company. So yes, welcome. This video is going to be on, I'm sure you already know it was coming because I have like 3 videos on my channel about this beauty line already. Exactly, Fenty Beauty. So Rihanna has officially launched lipsticks that we were all waiting for, and we wish she had launched during the actual launch, but it's okay. I can wait, I can be patient or whatever. But yeah, she launched her MatteMoiselle. Is that how you say it? The MatteMoiselle. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, but the MatteMoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. This is gonna be a tongue twister, oh my gosh. There's 14 shades, and I'm sure eventually she will add on and add more, and they're all gorgeous. Now, I didn't buy the whole collection. I already don't have enough room in my vanity and everything for what I have, and I didn't want to add in any unnecessary stuff that I probably wasn't going to wear. So out of the 14, I picked up 5. I picked out the ones that I like best and ones that I wanted to try that was kind of on the bolder side that I thought would go good with me. I'll probably go back and pick up 3 more because she has a pretty lavender, and I was on the fence when I was in Sephora looking at it, and I was like, but we'll see. So this video, I just want to give you a try on the shades that I do have. So, alrighty, so the shades that I did pick up, I picked up Freckle Fiesta, and it reminds me of a rust color. It's like a rusty orange burnt brick type color, if that makes sense. But it's super cute, and when I swatched it, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. I picked up Candy Venom because it's like, I love pink, and then it's like a bold pink, and hot pink always looks good on me. Hot pink looks good on me, so yeah, I definitely had to pick that one up. Then I picked up Saucy, and that's like an orange color, and that's definitely, I definitely can't wait to rock that in the spring. That's definitely a spring color. I also picked up Clapback Ho. I picked up Clapback, and that's like a deep, like a midnight blue. That's what it reminds me of. And last but not least, I picked up PMS, and that is like a brown, a deep chocolate brown, which you can never go wrong with brown. I'm gonna try those on and let you get an idea of how those shades looks on me. I didn't pick up any of her red because I already have the uncensored, which I love, that liquid. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. I wore it during Christmas, and I got so many compliments. So let's go ahead and get into this video.
Beat on the beat.
Alrighty, you guys, that's it for this try on. I love all the shades that I got. They're all super gorgeous. My only biggest thing is I would definitely line these. As you can see in the video, I didn't line any of them. I wanted you guys to see how they are as is without a liner or anything. And also, I don't know if it's because how the lipstick is made. The application is just not, I don't know, I'm not really feeling it. I don't feel like I have a lot of control over the application, if that makes sense. I guess because, I don't know if it's because I'm so used to using matte lipsticks, or, I mean not matte lipsticks, but liquid lipsticks. So I have like a wand and I have like more control. And like, cause the only lipsticks I wear that's in a tube like this is my MAC lipsticks, and they're a lot more pointier than these, and these are like so small, like as you can see, and I don't feel like, these are much more smaller as you can see, and I don't feel like I have a lot of control, and they're extremely creamy, so it's so easy to mess up and go outside the lines, as you can see that I did in my video. I would say if I have to list a major con is the application, a lot more harder than the norm. But I love the shades. It feels very good. I don't think that it's necessarily matte. I know that it says that it's a plush matte lipstick, but it definitely feels like a cream, like a, yeah, like a cream. Like I don't think this would necessarily dry down to the matte we're looking for. In like normal matte lipstick that dries completely. Like this one still has like a gloss, a sheen to it. So I would say this definitely reminds me of like a sheen, a cream. I want to say cream sheen by MAC, but a like creamy kind of formula, and semi-matte, but it's not fully matte. So if you're looking for a fully matte, it's not. That's it for this video, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.